Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and healthy. So today again we are here for learning science. In science we learn about different types of things, different types of animals and different types of food. And we also learn many other things in next lessons. So let's start our today's lecture. As you know, I am your science teacher Mubasira Miss from Mahdi School, and today we continue our lesson number 8, Food for Health. Our today's topic is meal. So yesterday we learned about meal and today we continue this topic. So let's start our today's lecture with one beautiful line. That when you feel like giving up, look back and how far you are come. Be strong, stay on your path, never stop going. It means when you start learning or you feel that giving up, look back at that how far you are come. When you climb stairs, you are climbing stairs, more stairs, then you feel tired. Then remember and look at back that how far you are from first stair to 20, 25, 30 stair on you are. Then what you think that you go back or going up. Be strong, stay on your path, never stop going. So with this beautiful line, let's start our today's topic. So which lesson we are learning? This lesson is about food. Food we get from animals, food we get from plant and many other things. So till now we learn that we get some food from plants as well as we get some food from animals also. So some foods like meat, eggs and milk we get from animals. When food like cereals, pulses, fruits and vegetables we get from plant. So this lesson is about food and food sources. In this lesson we learn about healthy food and unhealthy food. So our lesson number 8 is about food for our health. So till now we are learning different meals of the day, different food we get from different sources, and we learn about why we need food, importance of food in our life. So let's see that what we learn today. Today we learn about meals of the day, breakfast, lunch and dinner. So we continue our today's lecture and we continue our yesterday's topic. Right, so yesterday we learned about breakfast, lunch and dinner, 3 meals of the day. We learn about what is meal and everything. So before we start today's topic, let's revise what we learned. So what we learned yesterday? We learned yesterday meals of the day, breakfast, lunch and dinner. Right? So first we learn about what is meal. That we think in our mind that what is meal? Food on particular time. So in previous lecture we learned that different kind of food we eat on different time, on particular time, and this food is also particular. So we learn that some food we eat in morning, some food we eat in lunch and some food we eat in evening. So we learn that what is meal? We eat a particular type of food called a meal. It means we decided food which we eat on decided time. So that's why we called it meal, because we eat a particular food on particular time. We called it meal at different time of the day. So whole day we are not eating, we are not drinking cold drinks and everything. Time is decided for every meal. So it means we cannot eat anything on any time. So that's why we called it meal. We eat a particular type of food called a meal at different time of the day, right? So these all things we learn in previous lecture. Then we see the part of the day. We divide our full day in 4 part, right? So from 5 o'clock to 12 o'clock in morning, after 12 to evening 5 o'clock it is afternoon, then after 5 o'clock to 12 o'clock at night it is evening, then midnight or night. So we learn that 3 times a day we are taking meal, right? So after 12 o'clock at night we all are sleeping, so we are not eat anything on that time. We learned this in previous lecture, right? Then we see the different meals of the day. We see that 4 type of meal, but mostly we are taking 3 meals. So here you can see the picture of meals: breakfast, lunch, snack and dinner. In morning we are taking breakfast, in afternoon we are taking lunch, at 5 o'clock in evening we are taking snack, and around 8 or 9 o'clock we are taking dinner. So these all are meals of the day. In India, our country, mostly we are taking 3 meals: in morning, afternoon and in evening. In our house, around 5 or 6 o'clock in afternoon we all are drinking tea mostly. So sometimes some people take snack also and take tea also. So these are the time of the day where we take our meals. So which meals we are taking? Breakfast, lunch and dinner. Other person are taking other time of the day meals also, which we learn in next lecture. So yesterday we learned about breakfast, lunch and dinner, right? So first we learn about breakfast. In previous lecture we learned that what we eat in breakfast, right? So first, when we take breakfast, before we learn that what we take in breakfast, we need to learn that what we take in breakfast, right? So first we learn that when we take breakfast, we learn in previous lecture that we take breakfast in morning. It is a first meal of the day. It means we all are taking breakfast in morning. When you wake up, you brush your teeth, take bath and take your breakfast. So it is very important meal of the day, because after taking breakfast you are going whole day different places. Like if you are a kid, then you are wake up in morning, you are going to school, tuitions, playing and many other places, right? So that's why you need to take proper breakfast. So now we learn that what we eat in breakfast. I told you yesterday, I show you some pictures that what we are taking breakfast. In other countries, some people are take sandwiches, some take cake and donuts and many other breakfast. So let's see what people take in breakfast. In India, our houses we mostly take tea, coffee, milk, boost or many other things. So first we are taking some drink, right, for freshness. So let's see what we are taking in morning. So we take tea, coffee. Some people habited to drink coffee or some habited to drink tea. So tea and coffee are most used drink in morning, mostly in every house, right? So tea, coffee, then milk. Now you think that when you are making tea or coffee, we are using product from plant and we are adding milk also. It means we eat food, combination of food from plants also and food from animals also. So here you can see the milk. So you all are childrens, right? So some people drink tea. So this some children must have to drink milk, right? Because milk is very healthy food for kids. It helps to grow your bones and muscles also, increase your height also, and give stamina to doing activities. So it means for kids you must have to drink milk. You don't need to drink tea or coffee, right? So milk is proper meal also, and it is very healthy. So we are taking milk, and milk with chocolate powder or Bonvita or Boost or anything. So now you can understand that what we are drinking in morning. We all don't like milk, right? But our mother forcefully give us glass of milk, and we must have to drink. Why? Because it is very healthy food for kids. Then sometimes we add flavors like Bonvita or Boost or chocolate powder or any milkshake also. You can drink anything. So this all are healthy food for morning. Why? Because in morning our stomach is empty. So if you add any food in your body, it give you directly blood, purified blood and new blood. So you must have to drink milk or milkshake, right? Then some people which are believing in healthy diet, they are drinking juice of fruits also, as well as they are drinking juice of vegetables also. So here you can see the picture of juice, strawberry juice and kiwi juice, orange, lemon. Some people are drinking lemon water in morning, so it help to grow your body also, and it give you strength to fight against different type of disease. So it is one of the healthy food. So these all are drinks we are drinking in morning, but we also have to eat something. So let's see what we are eating. In foreign countries, in our country also, some people are taking toast, and some people are eating breads also. So we are taking bread, butter, jam or toast also. But the healthy food is chapati or paratha or bhakri. Why? Because it give you strength, right? So when bread and toast are bakery item, so maybe your stomach get pain after eat this. So let's see what we are eating. Yes, it is paratha. So when we are taking healthy food in morning, it give you strength and energy too. So now you can understand that why we need to eat healthy food. Then chapatis, some people are eat chapatis, some people are eat paratha. In our house, mostly we all are eating bhakri in morning with omelette or bread with omelette. So we eat omelette also. Then some people are eat juices and fruits also. So now you can understand that different type of people eat different type of breakfast. Here you can see the picture of bhakri which we are eating in our home with tea or coffee or milk and egg, fried egg or omelette, right? So these all are food which we are eating. So omelette is eating in every country in morning. So most eating breakfast in morning is omelette. We are making omelette in different way also. Some people eat boiled egg also, some people eat fried egg also. In our house we are eating with bhakri or chapati or paratha with tea or coffee. Some people eat paratha with cream also, curd also. So this all are food which we are eating in morning. Some people eat bread, jam, sandwich. So all these things we revise in previous lecture. So what we learn today? Today we learn about meals of the day, lunch and dinner. So mostly lunch and dinner are same type of food, right? So today we learn meals of the day, lunch and dinner. So what we learn? In previous lecture we learn about 3 meals of the day, breakfast, lunch and dinner, and we learn about breakfast, that it is the first meal of the day. So now when we read this word lunch, then you think in your mind that what is lunch? Remember when you are coming to school, at one time around 2 o'clock you get lunch break, right? So it means it is a proper meal, on proper time it is lunch. When you take food in one box and going to school, it is lunch box. Why we called it lunch box? Because we take this in lunch food, right? So what we learn today? Today we learn about meals of the day. So first question, when we see that when we take lunch, we learn that different type of food we are taking on different time. So this particular time is morning, afternoon and evening. So from these 3 time, on which time we are taking lunch? Think that when we take lunch, afternoon time, after 12 o'clock to 5 o'clock, it is time of afternoon. So we take lunch in afternoon, right? It is a second meal of the day. It means around 12 o'clock to 5 o'clock, the timing of afternoon, right? So around in our house, mostly we all are taking lunch between 1 o'clock to 3 o'clock or 3:30. In our house, mostly around 2 o'clock everyone is taking lunch. So now you can understand that different type of food we are taking on different time. So in lunch we all are mostly taking proper meal. And when you take breakfast, the quantity of breakfast is very small, but when you take lunch you need proper things for eat. So we take lunch in afternoon, it is second meal of the day. Now you tell me that which is first meal of the day? First meal of the day is breakfast, when second meal of the day is lunch. I know that you all are eating different kind of food like chips and chocolates whole day, but the proper meal of the day, 3, which are they? Breakfast, lunch and dinner. So we take lunch in afternoon and it is a second meal of the day. Now when you are sitting in afternoon for taking lunch, so you tell me that what you are see in your table or in your plate. So what we eat in lunch, now you think that what we are eating in lunch, you think that when we are coming to school, in lunch box we are eating different type of snack. But when you are at home, right now you all are at home, right? So in afternoon you all are taking lunch. So what you are taking in lunch? Remember or not? Today what you take in lunch? Right, so let's see. Mostly we all are taking rice, sabji, chapatis, buttermilk, one sweet dish. Not every day, but sometimes our mother is making sweet dishes also. Then split pulses, salad also. So this all are we taking in lunch, right? So let's see that what we are taking in lunch, what we are eating in lunch, right? So let's see some pictures. First, the importance of eating lunch. Now when we are taking breakfast, we take breakfast around 9 o'clock to 10 o'clock, then till 1 o'clock we are not eating anything, so our stomach is empty again. But now at lunch you must have to eat full meal. Why? Because it give you energy also, and it help to increase your blood cells plus increase your immunity power, right? So if you want to make good body, healthy body, you need to eat lunch properly, right? So this is the importance of lunch, that you must have to eat lunch properly and healthy. You are not eating pizza and burger and chocolates or chips in lunch. Now let's see what we are eating in lunch. So here you can see the picture of one plate. It is plate of lunch, right? So now you can understand here two type of dishes, right? So this is the proper lunch in our house. One sabji or one dish which we made from vegetables or we made from meat also, right? So then we also eat rice, then curd or buttermilk. Then here you can see the dish of carrot, then salad. We are using onion, carrot, tomatoes, beetroot and many other vegetables, raw vegetables. It gives you healthy body, right? So you must have to eat raw vegetables like cucumber, carrot, tomatoes, capsicum, beetroot, right? So these all are the food which we eat in afternoon. Then we are drinking buttermilk also. We eat dal, we called it split pulses, right? So these all are food which we are eating in lunch in afternoon. Now let's see some pictures. So in our house, our mother is making one proper meal in afternoon. So let's see some pictures which we are eating in lunch. So first picture you can see, it is a dish which we made from potatoes and peas. So our mother is mostly making in afternoon cauliflower or peas or potato or chicken, or we eat food from meat or food from vegetables and pulses, right? So we are eating fruits in morning, but in afternoon and in evening we are food eating which we made from vegetables mostly. So after adding oil and spices and different type of things, we are adding spices, oil, chili powder, turmeric powder. These all are add flavor in our meal. So then our mother is making one proper dish. So it is a sabji, we called it sabji. We eat with chapatis. Then here you can see the picture of one dish which we made from paneer. So we learn that we get paneer from milk, and paneer is one of the milk products. So now you can understand that different kind of food, some food from plants and some food from animals, we are making our proper meal. So here you can see the picture of paneer and peas, and again our mother is adding flavors in it, then we can eat. You don't like paneer without adding flavor, right? You cannot eat raw peas, If you eat raw peas, then you get stomach pain. So that's why we need to cook food. We are not animals, we are human beings. Then dish from brinjal. So it is mixed vegetable dish, brinjal, paneer and many other vegetables. So we must have to eat vegetables in our food. Why? Because it gives us strength against different kind of disease. So it is protective food. So they are protecting us from different kind of illness and disease, right? Then let's see, here is picture of chicken curry. So again it is a non-vegetarian food, so we get meat from animals, right? So we are eating this chicken curry with roti or chapatis or parathas. So this is a proper dish which we eat. But imagine if I give you only this sabji or dishes and not giving you anything. So you can eat these dishes? No. So what we are eating with it? Let's see. The second food which we eat in afternoon is rice, right? So again rice we get from plants, right? So with sabji we are eating rice. So it is plain rice which we eat. Now you can understand that we are eating proper meal in afternoon, right? So here you can see the picture of rice. Then different kind of rice we are eating. In our house, if our mother is making proper meal, then on Sunday mostly our mother is making biryani. So it is proper meal. Why? Because we are adding rice also in it and we are adding meat also. It means it become proper meal. So you don't need to make any other dish or chapatis. So it is proper meal biryani. Then pulao, right? So these all are type of rice which we are eating. Then vegetable pulao, as we are making biryani, like that we are making vegetable pulao. So we are adding vegetables in this rice and again it is proper meal, right? So here you can see the vegetables like beans and peas, and you can see dry fruits also, carrot also, onion also and spices also. So these all are proper meal. Again egg biryani, non-veg food. Then most eatable food in lunch is chapatis. So our mother is making chapati in lunch. We are eat this chapati with any sabji. If it is non-vegetarian food or it is vegetarian food, right? So chapati or roti, we are called it rotis, right? So this is roti we are eating, and sometimes we are eating naan or breads or pav or many other things. So it is a bakery product we are eating with dishes. So now you can understand that we are eating rice also, we are eating chapatis also, we are eating different type of dishes also, right? So sabji also. So it is proper meal. So now you can understand that what is proper meal, and in lunch what we are taking. Then we are drinking buttermilk, right? So buttermilk and salad, you can see here onion, tomatoes, cucumber and carrot. So these all are we eating with lunch with sabji, roti and rice. So these all are food which we are eating in. Then here you can see the proper plate. When you are going in hotel and you are eating lunch, you can see here one sweet dish, 2 or 3 sabji, then dal also, rice also, you can see here roti also, buttermilk also and salad also. So these all are food which we are eating in lunch in afternoon. So what we learn today? Today we learn about second meal of the day, lunch. What we learn today? That we are eating rice, sabji and chapatis in lunch. We are drinking buttermilk and also we are eating sweet dishes in lunch. So I hope you all are understand what we learned today and you enjoy this lecture. So take care of yourself and stay healthy.